The first time that I saw this house, ang una kong inisip is this worth 40 million pesos? But of course, you can't judge a book by its cover, or in real estate terms, you can't judge a property by its facade. So of course, today in this video, I'm going to give you a house tour of this stunning house here in Sun Valley Estates. I'm Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker. So here on my right, you have the parking spaces. So kasya dito 4, you can put 2 cars doon sa loob and then 2 cars pa dito sa para may sloping area. Of course, makikita nyo sa exterior ng property, it's a contemporary / modern design. Of course, yung unang impression nyo, baka bungalow to kasi walang floors pataas. Of course, mamaya makikita natin in the video kung gaano kalaki tong bahay na to. So, wag na natin patagalin pa and let's go inside and explore the property. So, let's go. Here, sa entrance, yung main door natin, mapapansin nyo, mataas siya. So, bukod sa maliit ako, mataas talaga yung door na to. So, it's above the standard height. So, mga 8 feet to. And, pagpasok natin ng foyer, so ito yung foyer part ng bahay. Ang una niyo mapapansin, it's a high ceiling property. And, of course, makikita niyo na yung large space behind me, which is the living area. Pero, mamaya natin na-explore yun. Pagpasok natin ng bahay, we have bathroom dito on the right side and a room here. So para sa mga seniors room nila dahil ito yung first room na mapapasok nyo. And of course, malaki to. And again, it's a high ceiling property. And ayun yung makikita nating trend in this property or in this house. Lahat ng mga bahay, lahat ng mga kwarto, high ceiling siya. And of course, you have the amazing view of Sun Valley here. Dahil may malalaki kang windows dito. Tingnan natin yung bathroom saglit dito sa katabi ng ating seniors room. And the thing that I like about the rooms here, yung mga materyales ang ganda ng ginamit and yung mga designs malinis na malinis. So you can observe na meron kang partition dito and may mga lighting sa likod ng mirror, so may dramatic effect kang mapapansin. And of course, yung mga fixtures, mga water closet, and yung mga rainfall shower natin, magaganda yung mga materials na ginamit. So, let's move on. And ang mapapansin naman natin sa next part of this house is, bukod sa malaking living area, we have an elevator here. So, spoiler alert, itong property, 3 floors siya. Dahil 3 floors siya, mas okay na may elevator ka. But right now, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin. The thing is, meron ka elevator dito. Dito naman, ito yung living area natin. So, it's a very large space. So, pwede ka maglagay ng maraming couches, malaking television dito. And the ceiling, meron kang cove lights and may design ka mapapansin at this side of the ceiling na para flower na butterfly. So anyway, it's a very nice design and of course you still have a lot of pin lights sa mga ceilings natin if you want more light sa gabi. And then here, moving on, we have parang deck na balcony. So eto, maganda to sa umaga. Pagkagising mo, magkakape ka dito, naka-boxers ka pa lang, tapos yan, maganda yung view mo dito. So umaga pa lang, relax ka na. Dahil ang ganda ng view talaga dito sa Sun Valley Estates. Parang Tagaytay na yung feeling niya dahil nga, ang ganda ng view, a lot of greeneries, a lot of trees, and it's very, very peaceful. Here, on my right side, we have access, pero pwede rin tayo dumaan from the living area. This is the dining area, and again, malaking space talaga siya. Mga 12 people kasya dito. If you can put a rectangle table here, kasya dito 12 people. And beside it, we have the kitchen. Here in the kitchen, marami tayong counter spaces and yung countertops ay made from solid synthetic surface and you also have a lot of cabinets, a lot of drawers. So if you need a lot of things for your kitchen, marami kang malalagyan. And of course, di ka pwede mawala ng sink dito. So it's a dual sink. And since maganda yung view from here, dito pala sa dining area, pwede mo, you can imagine, kumakain ka dito. Kumakain ka dito. Diba, kumakain ka dito, tapos ang ganda ng view mo, tapos you're spending time with your family, sharing your staying araw mo, tapos diba, ang ganda ng view, very peaceful. Kaya maganda rin talaga dito sa property na to. So again, bago tayo pumunta sa other levels of this property, behind the kitchen, meron kang service area and the maids room. So, tignan natin dito. So far, how are you liking this video? Comment down below if you like this one. And kung gusto nyo tumira dito, comment down below. So, dito, sa left side ko, meron ka service area. So, pwede ka maglagay ng washing machine dito. So, pwede ka maglagay din ng dryer. And you have the panel board dito. And, kung umatras tayo ng konti, we have the maid's room and the maid's bathroom dito. And behind this door pala, pabalik lang to sa garahe. Yan. Pabalik lang sa garahe. So, mas madali lang umaccess yung tao directly to the kitchen. Now, we're done here sa first floor. Paano ba? Ground basement 2. Hindi ko alam yung tawag dun eh. So, sige. Tagan natin yung second level of this property. So, itong Sun Valley Estates, it's a very private subdivision. Meron siyang sariling golf course. And of course, a lot of amenities, mga swimming pools, and may lagoon din dito. And, ayun, very peaceful. So, kung gusto niyo ng lugar kung saan talaga kayo pwede mag-relax after your tiring work, you can always check this out. So, of course, lalagay ko yung contact details sa description box down below kung gusto niyo mag-inquire. Now, punta tayo dito sa second level below the ground floor. So, maybe basement tawag dito. Pero second level ng bahay. And here we have the bedrooms. Pagbaba mo ng landing spot dito sa staircase, nagawa pala sa kahoy and metal yung railings. On my right, we have the master bedroom and another bedroom. And here, on my left, we have a bedroom and may family room siya. Bago natin tignan yung master bedroom, unahin na muna natin itong family room. So, itong family room, since family room siya, malaki to. And, yun, malaki talaga siya, still high ceiling, and you have a lot of space. And, of course, meron kang window dito kung gusto mo may pumasok na hangin and natural light na pumasok. And, ang maganda talaga dito, lahat ng kwarto, very relaxing dahil sa place of Sun Valley. And of course, etong family room, may sarili siyang powder room siya, may sarili siyang powder room. And you can see again the trend of the design of the bathrooms na very elegant, well-designed yung mga ilaw sa likod ng mirror, and of course, may tiles na buong bathroom. And may exhaust ka rin pala dun. Next, let's move on to our next bedroom. Here, katabi lang ng ating family room. And of course, malaki pa rin siya. Malaki lahat ng bedroom. So, hindi kayo makahanap dito ng bedroom na maliit. Dahil malaki talaga yung property. And for this one, we also have the built-in cabinets here. And yon, marami sockets and very well lit yung kwarto dahil again, you have a lot of windows para may natural light na pumasok. Pero tingnan natin saglit ano yung itsura nitong cabinet para may idea kayo. Yan. So now, tingnan natin yung banyo nito, yung bathroom nitong kwarto na to, which is here. So this one, parang off-white or parang mukha siyang parang marble yung itsura. Pero gawa to sa porcelain tiles, kaya maganda pa rin. And of course, we have the sink, the faucet, the rainfall shower, yun, and may towel rack. Now let's go to our next bedroom. Sa totoo lang, nakakapagod mag-video dito kasi ang laki ng bahay. Pero of course, I'm going to do this for you para may idea kayo kung saan nyo gustong mag-invest. Before we go to our next bedroom, meron pala ito pala yung elevator kanina, pero again, we cannot use it right now. Pero yan, elevator yan. Wait, ito pala yung master. Dito pala muna tayo. Yeah, ito. This is our fourth bedroom of the house. Actually, pwede rin tong master kasi malaki na rin, tapos may balcony ka na rin. Yan. And then makikita niyo rin pala dito kung gaano kalaki yung lote. So magagulat kayo kasi 'di ba ang laki ng bahay tapos akala mo yun na yun, pero as you can see from here, malaki pa yung lote, pababa pa yan. Pwede kayong maglagay ng swimming pool, pwede niyo gawin diyan. And again, you can feel the vibe of the environment from here dahil nga ang ganda at tahimik tong Sun Valley. Of course, like what I've said before, meron din tong bathroom. Yan, pupunta tayo sa bathroom. And yung design niya, just like from the previous bathroom sa kabilang kwarto, na may off-white na mukhang porcelain, marble yung itsura. Yan, very well designed. Ang sarap siguro maligo dito kasi ang ganda ng design. Tapos maganda yung nature na makikita niyo view from here. Now let's go to the master bedroom. Yan. Mamaya makikita nyo pala yung pinakababa, maganda rin yun mamaya, so hintayin nyo. Pero panoorin muna natin itong master bedroom, which is, kapareho niya yung kanina pero mas malaking version siya. And of course, you still have the balcony, kaya pwede kayo mag-relax dito, pwede kayo maglagay ng chair, tapos magbabasa kayo ng libro pagkagising nyo. Yan, so pwede talaga kayo mag-relax dito. Kasi ramdam na ramdam mo yung hangin eh. Kahit di ka na magbukas ng aircon and electric fan. And of course, a lot of greens. Kaya marerelax talaga kayo. And meron pala dito sa right side, may cove lights. So, mas dramatic siyang tignan pag gabi. Kasi maliwanag kaya hindi nyo mapapansin masyado yung cove lights. Pero tignan natin itong master bathroom. So, sa master bathroom, may sarili siyang walk-in closet. Yan. Para magka-idea kayo, yun, hindi ko abot yung part na yun, so hindi ko mabubuksan. Yan. Pero dito, may walk-in closet ka, a lot of doors, so lalagay niyo yung damit niyo dyan. And ang laki din ng space for the faucet here, and sink. Kaya kung marami kayong mga shampoo or kung ano man yung inyong mga ginagamit sa mukha nyo or for your body, pwede kayo maglagay na marami dyan. And of course, we have the shower dito and the rainfall shower na parang yung ulan effect kasi nasa ceiling. Kita ba sa video? So parang ulan effect kasi nakadikit sa ceiling yung shower. Actually, ganun yung gusto kong design, parang ulan effect. And then, of course, here we have the water closet and may towel rack ka dito. Yun, so we're done here at the second floor. Puntahan natin yung third floor, yung pinakababa. And actually, gustong-gusto ko yung part na yun kasi, well, let's find out. Meron ka wala mga storage dito kung gusto nyo maglagay ng kung anong gusto nyo lagay dyan, mga decorations or figurines. So ngayon, punta tayo sa pinakababa, sa third floor. Pero actually, meron pang floor sa baba. Pero parang open space siya na kayong na magdadagdag. So, ito yung ating third floor. And mapapansin nyo, para kayong nasa office space. So, ang maganda dito is you have the freedom to do whatever you like with the space. So, kung gusto nyo gawing man cave, kung gusto nyo gawing gym, kung gusto nyo gawing playroom, kung gusto nyo gawing office, you have the freedom to do that. We have the freedom to do that kasi nga malawag yung space na to. So it's a bare space, isang floor na walang partitions kasi yun nga, except for the columns. Kasi yun nga, kayo bahala kung anong gusto nyo gawin sa design na to. Pero maganda dito is all around the walls, you have the windows, sliding windows. Kaya kahit anong oras, well, except sa gabi, may natural light na pumapasok. So yun, and of course, abot naman dito elevator. So makikita nyo elevator dito sa floor na to. So ito yung last stop ng elevator natin. And of course, hindi naman hindi naman mawalan ng banyo itong third floor na to. So for this one, bathroom siya, hindi siya powder room, kaya pwede ka pa rin maligo dito. And you have itong mga materials na ginamit natin dito. Actually, parang granite siya. And yun nga, yung mga porcelain tiles na ginamit. And may telephone shower ka dito. Kaya, yun, may option ka maligo kung ano mang plano mo gawin sa design na to. Actually, comment down below kung meron kayong ganitong space. Comment down below kung anong gusto nyong gawin. Kasi nag-iisip talaga ako ng idea. But before we end this house tour, gusto ko rin pakita sa inyo again kung gaano kalaki itong lote na to. So from here, from the lowest floor, makikita nyo dito kung gaano kalaki talaga yung lupa. Dahil, yon makikita nyo may pababa pa siya, may downhill pa siya. Actually, tingnan natin saglit. Yan. So, may space ka pa dito. And, pwede mo lagyan ng swimming pool. So, ang ginawa, hindi na nila tinapos to kasi depende kung anong gusto nyong gawin. Kung anong plano nyo gawin sa space na to. Pero, pwede nyo rin gawing kwarto to kung gusto nyo or storage area. So, depende sa inyo. Pero yon, you can see from here na sobrang laki ng lote. So, yon, kamusta? Did you like this house? And, kung meron kayong gantong bahay, do you think it's worth 40 million pesos? Because personally, kung tinanong nyo ako, I think it is kasi ang laki ng floor area, ang laki ng lote mo, and it's a very peaceful subdivision. And of course, you have a lot of amenities, and meron ka pang golf course na malapit. Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-retire dito, it's the perfect place to do it. Kaya if you want to inquire, lalagay ko yung contact details in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and I'll see you in my next real estate video. Bye-bye, and keep safe.